welcome to our first kind of vlog. I've done like a few videos on the channel already, but we've just gone out and bought a new camera, kind of playing copycat from other creators. It's called the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and it's a really nimble, cute little camera that has a gimbal on it, so it's great for like steady shots. And we're just coming out today to basically test it out, give it a try. Trying it in the car to see what the background noise is like. It's got its own 3 little internal microphones, but it also comes with, if you get the creator combo, it comes with a portable microphone that you can clip onto your top with a magnet, or it has an actual clip on it as well, so you can just clip it onto the collar of your shirt or your bag or something like that. So we're just heading out at the moment to try and find somewhere kind of local with a nice view, so we can try out some different settings, some different shot types. I'll turn the camera around so you can see where we're going. You can see
eye of the storm.
Yeah, like we're heading into the eye of the storm right now. So it's quite a big black cloud, or it's a bit black over Bill's mothers, as they used to say. So we're starting on our journey of life of vloggers. We're not by any means professional videographers or anything like that, but we're just going to document things that we do, places that we go to, like concerts, events, Comic Cons, anything like that. We put a few videos up at Disney World already. Matt likes doing some funky editing on some of them.
Mainly just videos of me being an idiot.
Or turning me into an idiot.
Yes, so I've definitely lowered your IQ.
Yeah, fun times ahead. We're just gonna give our honest opinion about stuff and see where it goes. So let's have fun. I forgot to say, looking at the clouds, this camera is not waterproof, so we won't be able to film outside if it starts raining, but we'll see how it goes, see how far we get. We made it to a little beauty spot at Clee Hill, Tenbury Wells in the Midlands, not too far from where we live. I'm not talking about Matt, by the way. He's part of the beauty spot, but it's not the whole thing.
I am the destination.
This is the way.
Looks like we've avoided the weather as well. It's good.
Yeah, it's pretty nice, to be honest.
No, I don't think I remember ever stopping here. Like, I've drove past it, but never actually stopped to look. It's beautiful.
I have. I thought it was with you. I must not be. Ooh, it's a bit windy though.
Definitely ain't flat like Florida.
No, it's a bit different to Florida. Temperature wise and everything else. What do you think, guys? Beautiful?